Hi everyone, so it's me Usman, and today we are going to talk about the LemWatch. LemWatch is a platform which helps you to analyze all the issues that you have on your website without going to multiple places and checking manually runs. Now, let's imagine if you're a freelancer, you're an agency owner, or you're a company. You have multiple clients, multiple websites, and you have to send report to them, or you have to do an audit of your websites like performance, SEO, malware, and much more. That's where LemWatch shines. So let me show you that. All right, so right now I'm at the homepage of LemWatch. As you can see, it's saying website monitoring that actually work for teams. Now let me a common example. We had multiple websites, like literally we had more than 125 plus websites in our company. And so managing them and checking their performance and like uptime, downtime was so much difficult and it was so much pain. So that's where we actually try to check multiple platforms. We paid for multiple subscription, but now works. So that's where we decided to create our own LemWatch. So here we are. Now, if you guys want to read more, you can keep scrolling and there's all the stuff is missing, like 50 plus features and much more. Even though we have things mentioned here and features, use cases, prices, compare with all of our competitors and resources. Once you're done reading them, what you can do is you can click on Get Started. Here you can add your email and password. Make sure to add some strong password. Create it or sign in with Google. Once you create an account, you will see a verification URL on your Gmail. You have to click on that and you will be signed in. Now let me show you how the sign-in dashboard will look. All right, so right now I'm in LemWatch. As you can see, this is empty. But if I go to personal, I added 3 websites here. Right, never mind. LemTask, LemWatch, and PerLemon. Now you can see we have fleet overview, which is site 3, then average performance 67. All right, we have to improve it. Average response 7 to 6, which is not good. We have to improve it as well. Fleet uptime, it's 100%, and check today 49, and need attention 2 issues. Cool. Now here we have compare, export, more customizations, and we have SLA issues and slow. Okay, let me tell you. So there are so many features that are going to help you a lot with legal compliance, with like reporting and much more. So you have to stick with the video. Now you can see we have all the website mentioned in table format. You can change the view if you want to, but personally, I love this layout. Now you can go down. We have fleet, intelligent performance, security, common issues, email security, web standard, and infrastructure. Great. Now, when you're going to create the account, you're going to see something like this, where it's going to say, welcome, let's monitor your first site. You have to click on start monitoring or add website. Similarly, in like add site, from here, you can actually create any group. If you don't have any idea about group, so let me show you first that. Okay, group is a feature which help you to categorize your multiple clients' website in places, and you can actually keep track of them. You can send report automatic to your clients, and you can see what's actually happening and what issues they have combined. So how to create them? Click on add client. From here, you can add anything. Let's say I can add Lem Studio. All right. Now here I can actually add this color. Let's go inside. From here I can add website. Now I already have Lem Studio selected. Let's go to the domain. Let's say lemplates.com. We can add, let's say, hosting, and then we can click on verify and deduct. So right now I don't have any like sitemap, so we can skip that. Let me show you how this verification works. Let's go back. Let's go to, let's say, PerLemon. It has the sitemap and Robots.txt both. Let's go to edit site. Let's see, I edit everything. Now let's remove this. Let's click on verify and deduct. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, now you can see it showed us multiple sitemap. Let's check it out. Let's copy this and paste it. Yahoo, it's working. So now if I go to Robots.txt URL, let's copy this, paste it, and Yahoo, it's working as well. So that's how our like verify and deduct system works. Let's go back where we were. Okay, Lem Studio. I have to add lemplates.com. Get to hosting. Check frequency, and I want it when it go down from 80, it should be alert us. It should alert us. Now let's add usmanj@gmail.com. Let's click on start monitoring. Okay, site added successfully. Cool. Now I see uptime, downtime, because Maybe I added wrong website here. Okay, now as you can see, I added the website with the wrong URL. Now it's telling this website is down, it's not working. So now I go here, I have to click on edit site. Let's change it. Now let's save it, update. Okay, from here, let's click here. And now let's click on run check, select all. Let's go down, click on auto snapshot before running. Let's create it, run checks. Let's minimize this. As you can see now at the real time, it's actually checking each and everything like site availability, Robots.txt, Sitemap, SEO certificate, security edits, page speed, and much more. As you can see now, our test is done. We can see status update, response time, SSL certificate. Now, if you have to read anything in detail, let's click on detail analysis, and you can click here on the link. And you can see all the details like A+ rating, certificates, protocol, key exchange, Clifford strength, and all of the things are mentioned here, which are super helpful, right? Let's go back to the website. Here we have site intelligence like track for 0 day because today's first day. Total checks, 66.7%, all-time updates because previously I added a wrong website link, so that's why it's showing 66.7% down, and data quality excellent, which is great. Smart Insight. So this is the place where our platform shine better and faster than our competitors because they don't have LemWatch, so they don't have idea what issues they have on their platform and how to fix them. But with the help of LemWatch, we have idea what issues we have and how to fix them, which is crazy, right? Now you can see all of the things are mentioned here. Smart Insight. Health score 52%, 67%, performance 89, security 45, SEO right now it's not yet. If I go to the fixed recommendations, we have 5 total issues, which is related to security, performance, security, and uptime. If I go down, in the current status, we have mobile performance, homepage only, which is 78% score, desktop with all the details, has score, and core web vitals. Everything is mentioned here. If I go down, this is crazy part. I can see the page weight, like how much others, script, font, style, documents, and performance opportunities. Now, if I click here, I can read how to fix it. Awesome. Reduce unused CSS as well. If I go up in the security, I can see all the grades, domain expiry, security header, Mozilla observations, exposed services, certificate transparency, DNS health, and email deliverability. Now it's showing 000, but let me show you other platform. As you can see, this one is in progress, but for this website, it's working 100% fine. In security section, you will see all of these type of details. Cool. If we go to history and trends, you can see we have 78% performance, 99% desktop, and SEO 0, is not done. If we go to another website, history and trends, you can see with the passage of time how many fluctuation is happened here and what SEO score is, web core vitals, indexation trend, and much more. Now, if we go to advanced, this is really nice part: server location, carbon footprint, web history, meta tags, third-party scripts, scripting details. And if we go to advanced of this site, now we can see detected services, Microsoft Clarity, which is true, Google Analytics, true, and chatbot and service scripts, of course, true. Script and details, everything is mentioned here. And now if I go down, we have a legal compliance. Being compliant with the rules and regulations is really helpful for your customers, company, and country. So from here, as you can see, we have privacy policy, terms of services, cookie policy, statement, GDPR, data protection, disclaimer, legal notice, and each and everything. And if I have to verify that, I can click on open page, and I can see that. Let's click here as well. And now I can see that it as well. Now, if I go to another website, you can see terms of services and privacy policy working for it as well. Awesome, isn't it? Now, let's go to another website, and you can see we have cookie policy missing, explanatory statement missing, disclaimer, legal notice is missing, and we have recommendation adding cookie policy for UAE compliance. Great. Let's go down. We have our feature image. Yeah, it's actually true. If I go down, yeah, this is true. For advanced features, we have webhook features, and as well we have API key features. In case you want to develop something custom platform, you can get our API key with all the data. We have configurations here. Also, we have notification setting. You can click on test if you want to check. We have indexation health. So this is our second website. It's saying 1171 plus indexation health, and here 93. True. If I go security, I can see security grade and malware status. Same for our second website. Here you can see we have total pages checked, missing description, duplicate titles, and much more. Here we have view all 933 pages with the details. I can click here. If I go here, I can see my timeline with all the deductions, data readiness, and much more. Here you can see timeline events and timeline event detected status. If we scroll down, we have baseline that we can create. We can create dependency. Dependency means, let's say if you have created a website and now you depend for API key on ChatGPT. Now you have to make sure that I depend on ChatGPT, or let's say we created a lemplets. Now it's depend on lem.com. So for that reason, we can actually add lem.com. Now it's gonna track lem.com as well. Now if lem.com is down, it's gonna tell us because lem.com is down, we are dependent on them, so our website is down too. Yeah. I mean, not fully, but the service we depend on. Let me show you. A dependency. Here you can see we have dependency type, API, and much more. LemWatch.com. I mean, I don't have to write it, but just leave it. Let's click on add dependencies. Now it's gonna tell all of the details as well. Okay, if I go down, look at the check history, raw logs, and you can see all of the details here. So yeah, that's pretty much, guys.